Welcome back, internet friends. I'm making this video at the end of spring, the beginning of summer, and if you deliver for apps like Postmates, DoorDash, Grubhub, or Uber Eats, you may have noticed that business has really slowed down this last week as we've just finished tax season. So today I want to give you when the slow times of the year are for food delivery and when the busy times of the year are. I've been delivering food for almost 10 years, first as a pizza guy, and now more recently, in the last 3 years, I've been delivering for these different apps and catering companies. So we've got busy times of the year and slow times of the year for delivery. The summertime is generally slow for delivering, and you may wonder why. People are probably ordering things in the summer, right? Actually, no. People are going on vacation and such, but the reason it really gets slow is because colleges are out for the summer. And a lot of those college students are looking for a way to make summer money. So they flood the delivery job market. A lot of these college kids sign up for DoorDash, Postmates, and all these other services. So you'll notice the referral bonuses are really low during the summer. And for June and July, these companies are not going to give you bonus incentives for the summer months because they have plenty of drivers already on the road trying to make money. Similar to the situation we're in now, where it's the end of tax season. And during tax season, it's busy. So the apps will give incentives like $1,500 or $1,000 to refer your friend. And so people are referring their friends during those hot incentive times. And now there's a bunch of drivers and things are about to slow down because kids are going to get out of school soon and they're going to start driving. So let's talk about the busy times of the year to drive, which are pretty much from September until mid-April. As a matter of fact, in September, right at the week of back to school is when most of these companies have their highest payout for referral bonuses. DoorDash had a $1,500 referral bonus for the 1 week of back to school because all these delivery drivers that they had for the summer dropped off of the service and started going back to school. Also, a lot of those college kids in the dorms are now going to start ordering food at night. So there's a loss of drivers and an influx of business. Similarly, in January this year, we had really high referral bonuses of about $1,200, $1,500, and $1,000 for DoorDash. Other apps had very high bonuses like $875 for 70 deliveries with Postmates. That was because in January, all these kids went back to school and they lost a lot of drivers. But business picked up because there's tax firms and different companies working hard trying to get stuff done and they want their employees in the buildings. So there's a lot of people ordering lunch to work and there's people ordering dinner time because they don't want to cook after a long day of work. So I mentioned that January to April are really good because of several things, not just tax season, but there's also stuff on TV and different things to watch that cause people to order more food. For example, the Super Bowl is a very busy day for delivery. When I delivered pizza for 8 years, that was one of our busiest days. I had to come in early and I had to stay late and I made bank. It was really fun, but it was hard work because we were slammed. A lot of people order food, pizza, and other things on days like the Super Bowl weekend. Or if it's basketball season in March, you got March Madness. We also had one of the highest payouts for DoorDash was Grammys and Oscar weekends, which I believe those happen in like February or March. But you were able to make a lot of money when there's a sporting event because people are ordering up and the companies are giving a lot of incentives on those weekends to supply the demand. As I said before, after September, in the fall, they offer more incentives and you can make a little more money because there's less drivers. Kids are going back to school. Not just that, but the weather somewhat turns against everybody. And here in Southern California where I live, the weather's pretty awesome. We don't really get rain until like November, till January. This year it was a really rainy year though. And when it rains in the winter, people don't want to go out to lunch. They would rather order lunch to their house or order lunch to their office. And a lot of drivers look at the stormy weather outside and they say, screw that, I'm not going out on the road today. So those bold, brave drivers who do go out, they make really good money because there's high incentives. They have to take a lot of risk, so fortune favors the bold. And I honestly wouldn't really risk going out on a really bad snowstorm to try to make money with DoorDash. You could get yourself in an accident or something like that. But I'm just saying winter weather, for those that can handle it, will make more money. So there you have it. From September till April, delivering with these apps is pretty darn good. But from May and most of the summer, it's going to slow down a lot. And as we go forward into June and July, I promise you that your delivering is going to slow down because we're going to have a huge influx of drivers when the schools let out. I highly recommend you find some other kind of side hustle or side job during the summer to occupy your time and make some extra income, because driving for these apps in the summer is not going to be the best money. And to be honest, when you're not getting incentives or bonuses, it's not worth it to drive for most of these apps. Like Postmates only gives you $4 a delivery, so you're not going to make a whole lot of money per hour. Personally, I get really excited for the summer because spring and summer are music festival season, and I get lucky enough to work at music festivals once in a while for some extra money. This year, I will be doing my 4th year as a coordinator at Electric Daisy Carnival in Las Vegas coming up, so I'm really excited to be a part of that. I actually help coordinate the weddings. That's just a beautiful experience, helping people get married at a music festival, and I can't wait. I highly encourage you to find some kind of really fun summer job to make up for this lost income if you drive for these apps. And that's all for today, internet friends. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, go ahead, smash that like button. Please feel free to leave me a comment. Tell me if you've noticed a slowdown in DoorDash and Postmates, or if you've noticed it picking up recently. I personally noticed that there is no more incentives in my area, whereas before we saw $3.50, $4.50, and even as high as $8 incentives in the past few months. Now there's nothing. So please feel free to leave me a comment. Please subscribe. I do make videos all the time. And as always, safe driving, good luck to you, and just have a great day.